This is exactly how you can get subscribers faster on your channel. Like, I'm literally going to be sharing with us three practical ways. What you just simply need to do is to go ahead and start implementing it. Then believe me when I say you're going to come back to this video to say thank you, because you're literally going to start getting subscribers. And these are some of the secrets that a lot of small YouTubers out there are using. And somehow I have actually apply these tips on some channels that I've run so far, and I got massive results. So if your aim is to get subscribers, do well to make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end without missing any point. Okay, and with that being said, let's dive straight into the video. So the very number one method to getting subscribers faster on your channel is simply using shorts to build your long form. So now when I mean using shorts to feed your long form video, I actually mean that, you know, on YouTube here we have long form videos and we have short form videos. So if you're coming out to YouTube, there are some people that upload long videos and there are some people that upload short videos strictly. So you have to decide the one that you actually want to do. Okay, so if you're up here to post long form content, you wouldn't want to make the mistake of starting out your channel with posting shorts. So that is where this particular idea comes in. Instead of going directly to start posting shorts using trending sound, using random sound, which is literally going to give you those subscribers count high, but the issue is that you might not be getting visibility, or you won't be getting views on your long form. So what do you have to do? We need views on our long form, right? What you simply need to do is to repurpose your long form videos to shorts, which is simply posting your long form video, sharing your long form videos to your shorts. Okay, and how can you do it? Let's say for instance this particular video you are watching right now, once I upload this video, I'm going to be sharing it directly to my shorts. And if I'm going to be sharing it to my shorts, I'll make sure I pick out some of the most important parts, or where I actually give out an important message. I'll just share it to my shorts. Then I'm going to be dropping a caption which is going to be leading you to my long form video. So this way you are not just building short audience for your channel, you are as well building audience from short. It's more like stealing subscribers from the short form aspect. Okay, so for you to actually do this and get a better result, you can do it for like maybe 8 videos on your channel, but please do it the right way. Do not just maybe post the video direct there without dropping any caption that can actually lead people to the main video on your long form. Okay, see, if you're able to do this diligently the right way, not even all the time, at least once in a while, your subscriber count is going to be growing, because we're meant to understand that the rate at which YouTube push short form content cannot be compared to the way they push long form. Why? Is because short form content or short form actually have more audience on YouTube. So you just have to use the strategy to get subscribers. Okay, so the number two way, or the second way to actually get subscribers faster on YouTube here, is by actually doubling down on what has already worked. Okay, so let's give a clear example. Let's say you upload a video, you usually used to get like 100 views, 50 views, 10 views, 20 views, and all of a sudden you make a particular upload that managed to hit like 300, 400 views and brought in a little subscriber to your channel. Now, I did not say you should go ahead and re-upload that particular video on your channel again. No, what you simply need to do is to double down on it. Follow the exact same strategy. Let's say on my channel, I posted a video on how much YouTube paid my faceless channel for the ending of the month, and that video performed very, very well. So what I have to do again is to re-upload that kind of content. I do not really need to explain the exact same thing I did in the first video. I can just maybe put the video in another direction but still following that pattern. This way it will be able to make those people that subscribe, those people that watched that initial video, to also engage with the next one. So this pattern is going to help you build your subscriber count. And if you check out any good growing channel out there. If you check any channel that is doing so well, you will notice that sometimes they kind of repeat their content. They kind of repeat a particular title. They kind of repeat a particular thumbnail. Why? Probably because the first one they posted performed very well. So now the third way or the third method for you to actually get subscribers on your channel faster is what I classify as making use of the comment section, more like comment strategy, and as well making use of your YouTube inbuilt features. Okay, so now you might be wondering, how can a comment strategy actually help me to get subscribers faster on my channel? So this is exactly how it works. I actually saw this on one of this YouTube guru page, and I was surprised with the kind of testimony that a lot of subscribers or a lot of people were dropping on that same comment section. So this is how it works. Maybe you come across a particular big YouTuber's video, not really big YouTuber's video, any video that kind of is performing very well in the number of views and engagement. What you simply need to do is to engage with people on the comment section. Now, do not make the mistake of doing sub for sub, follow me, I follow you. YouTube literally pays attention to those little details. That is why if you do sub for sub finish, at the end of the day, YouTube will go ahead to start removing the subscribers. That is literally how the platform is. So you have to do it in an engaging manner, okay? For example, maybe the video is talking about a particular issue. What you can just do is to give your 1 cent, and at the end of the day, you can just tell people to more like kind of engage with you or check out your channel on so and so topic. Sometimes I come across this kind of comments on my videos, and most of the times I even reply, and sometimes I even like the comment. Why? Is because that is actually a smarter way of doing all this. Your sub for sub, follow me and I will not follow you. One thing you need to understand is that if you're doing sub for sub, you might be doing sub for sub with somebody that loves watching football analysis, and you're posting YouTube growth. Have you seen that you both does not have anything in common? So that person that is fond of watching football analysis, subscribing to your channel is a waste of time. The minute you post video, YouTube is going to show it to the person, and the person will not watch. Why? Is because the person is not interested. So the sub count might be growing, but you're not getting the audience. Okay, so but even if maybe you do not want to try this at all, still good, still fine. If you can try out the two other points I gave out, you will still get your subscribers faster. Okay, and lastly, try to make use of your YouTube inbuilt features. It's going to help you a lot. You know, we have close to 5 different YouTube inbuilt features, but the one that you need to make use of more, which I'm going to be sharing with us, is the end screen and the YouTube card. You know, YouTube card pops up between videos, while end screen pops up towards the ending of the video. So now when you want to design your end screen, what you can just do is to always leave that subscribe button just to remind people to subscribe to your channel. Okay, then also for your YouTube card that displays on the screen, you can still make use of the subscribe button as well. Okay, then aside from that, one thing is that somebody can be watching your channel for 3 months and will not remember to subscribe to you, because there's how funny this platform works. As long as you're showing interest on a person's video, YouTube will always recommend the video for you to watch. So sometimes what you can just do is to remind your audience to subscribe to your channel. There are so many creators that do it here, that after their brief introduction or hook, they just go ahead to tell you, my name is this, please make sure to do well to subscribe and like. It will now send a notification to that viewer at that moment to hit the subscribe button. So this particular strategy is as well going to help you to bring in subs to your channel. Even though you do not want to say it out, you can always type it on the screen for it to display, please subscribe to my channel, or just subscribe with the bell icon sound. These are actually ways for you to get subscribers faster, and it's one of the most easiest way. Okay, and yes, this is going to be bringing us to the very end of this particular video. So if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment section. Okay, because I'm going to be with us shortly. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop me your comment. And lastly, do not forget to share so that it can get to a lot of other YouTubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.